We about to rock a home tour real quick.
Yeah, faked you cooking up.
A little bit about the outside. The roof was new within the last 5 years, about 2018, so maybe we're going on 6 now. But the roof on the garage was just replaced this summer. Freshly painted garage, got the new windows on it. And that roof, though, that's freshly installed. Freshly painted, new windows. That roof, 5 years or less. About maybe 6 years now that we're in 2024, I guess, pretty much. But yeah, if you want to learn about real estate in Michigan, if you're moving to Michigan, hit me up. I may not be worth $100 million, $1 billion, but I'm truly dedicated to making sure your journey in real estate is successful. Whether it's finding a home for yourself, an investment, whatever it is, hit me up. I'm your man. Peace.